Good afternoon, everyone. This is Henry, and as we get into tonight's video recap, I'm going to have a quick look here at Chipotle, right? I believe this is a good use of our time because we began studying these symbols last week, and I brought Chipotle to your attention, as I do in most of these free videos, on the back of a daily squeeze, right? The daily squeeze is one of the most powerful signals that I have ever studied, and if you're looking for moments in time as a directional options trader, the squeeze is going to be one of the best ones to help define that. So, as this directional signal is forming, we spend time consolidating in the post-earnings range, right? You can see a really excellent move off of earnings that gives this some momentum, right? Then the consolidation of that advance is usually going to lead to another advance. So if you were taking advantage of that analysis last week, ideally you've been able to get into that position, and we are getting paid on that today. I believe that it is actually headed up into 2200, and that works off of the back of this Voodoo line study set that just so often sees patterns work into fulfilling these targets. So that's the one we were working with last week that got us into where we are now. And the next place that I want to be moving over to is DraftKings. And I know that this is a little bit different, obviously a much smaller stock, but it fits inside those categories of what I'm looking for that says a daily squeeze that is mature in its compression and a trending move that I believe will eventually resolve up into this fire line at 29.85. So, what we try to do with this is buy weakness, buy it down into 23.5 if you can, and then give it the next, I'm going to say something between 4 to 6 weeks to see if that support can lead to this as an eventual target on the back of this directional signal. So I hope those have been helpful in getting you on the right side of a few of these names. We'll try to do it again with DraftKings and see how these turn up next week. So y'all have a great rest of your evening, and I hope to see you in the next free video. Hey traders, this is Henry with simplertrading.com. I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful, and if so, be sure to click the like and subscribe buttons down below. If you would like to also see me putting these ideas into action and trading my own account live in front of you, be sure to sign up at simplertrading.com, and I hope to see you in the chat room sometime soon.